In this exercise, we'll practice the calculations needed to estimate the compaction productivity and estimate and how to match it with a hauling operation. The soil is hauled by scrapers and 600 loose cubic yards per hour rate. We are given the compaction requirements, the roller width, the fill lift thickness, and the soil load and shrinkage factors. We need to calculate the number of rollers needed to match the hauling rate, knowing that they will be effective 50 minutes per hour. To find the number of compactors, we need to calculate their production rate first, using the shown formula that we introduced in the lesson. We have all the values, so we will apply them as shown to get that each compactor can finish 253.6 compacted cubic yards per hour of the fill. But we have a problem here. The hauling rate is given in loose cubic yards per hour, and the compaction rate is given in compacted cubic yards per hour. We need to transform the compaction rate to also be in loose cubic yards per hour. From the early lessons of this course, we learned about how the load factor relates the bank volume to the loose volume, and how the shrinkage factor relates the bank volume to compacted volume. So we can relate directly the loose volume and compacted volume using this formula, which means that the productivity of a single compactor in 253.6 compacted cubic yards per hour requires hauling 352 loose cubic yards of soil per hour. We can now find the number of rollers needed to match the with the scraper's hauling rate, which we find it to be 2 rollers.